you ever thought of a goal too sudden to be ignored? It's happened to everyone. And today, I'm going to tackle that very goal I thought of by applying everything I've learned about aviation on a flight simulator. I decided to pick Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 by Microsoft to be the simulator I'll be working with. MSFS, other known as Microsoft Flight Simulator, is a flight simulator designed to be one of the most realistic flight simulators out there. It's also designed to make you feel as immersed as possible. After picking the Airbus A320, I am immediately greeted with the very iconic fly-by-wire system designed cockpit. Before anything, I must first power on the aircraft. To do that, batteries 1 and 2 must be switched on along with the external power switch. Now, after finally powering on the aircraft and lining it with the runway, I am now going to release the parking brakes, which stops the aircraft from moving, apply full throttle, while also maintaining the aircraft as straight as possible. After reaching 140, we are going to raise the aircraft nose for liftoff. After finally approaching the airport, I'm going to gradually descend the aircraft. That was a very harsh landing because of the wind. I actually couldn't maintain a straight path whatsoever because of the harsh winds. This is a scenario that pilots are trained for, to land even in harsh conditions, and I was able to land the aircraft, however it was not straight whatsoever.
Terrain, pull up.